Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World. Yep, my version of an unboxing of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G just came in the building yesterday. Matter of fact, last night it made it. I didn't think it would, but it's here. So we're going to do a quick unboxing. We're going to show the phone. We're going to talk about it just a little bit, get a little bit of an impression of what this phone is like, holding it, taking a look around the hardware. And I paid a mint so far as the down payment is concerned on the smartphone. I got two, one for me and my wife. We normally upgrade every single year. I got a plan where Sprint takes care of me like that. Now, this may be the last year that I upgrade every year. Now, if the specs are like they are now, when next year get here, then yes, no upgrade for next year. All right. Now, I got mine from Sprint. I didn't get it from Best Buy like I normally do because of issues with this so-called down payment and also my plan. But if you want, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below for Amazon. If you want to get it off of Amazon, you may be able to get $50 off. Samsung, you may be able to get $50 off. And we're talking about buying it outright. That's the only way you're going to get $50 off. Other than that, I don't know no other carrier that's going to give you a discount except for if you're trading in a smartphone. All right, so with that being said, let's go ahead. Without further ado, let's open this up. I've already broke the tab. And as you can see, the box is a little bit different. It's got N20 with, of course, the S Pen, right? Which is different from what we got with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Had a little color to it. I got the iridescent color, which looked beautiful. And this one is different. Now, what comes in the box is going to be your instructions. We're not going to take this out. You don't even get earbuds with this one. Don't look for that one. And you don't get any more extra tips for your S Pen. But do you really need it? Okay, we're going to put this to the side. And here she is in all her heavenly glory. All right, so let's get this out of here. And put this to the side. And let's see what's in this part of the box. Of course, you get this tab that covers it. This is all you're going to get. You got your cord. Thank God they gave us that, because what I'm hearing about Apple is taking this away, which means you either have to use your charger that you got, or you got to buy another one. And this is the charging brick. It's a 25-watt charging brick. They're not giving you anything more like other companies are, which is cool with me. The 25-watt charger definitely is one that's very, very quick. So let's put this to the side so we can go ahead and check out this smartphone. Now, for those of you all who don't know, I'm Team Samsung all the way. But I don't agree with everything that Samsung has done. But let's take a look at this phone. Now, it's dark right now. I haven't had an opportunity to look at this phone in the light yet, but it looks like a different type of black, right? Look like it has like a gunmetal color to it more than it is black. I was trying to look at my wife's phone last night. I couldn't get it outside. So we're going to see how this one looks outside as well, so far as the true blackness is concerned. Now, most people are talking about this camera module. I care less about it. I will be laying my phone on the table with the camera on it, and I'm quite sure look, I can still do what I need to do with it, which is normally what I do like on my lunch break or sitting here at the computer desk. So that's not going to be a problem. So that camera bump, not an issue. For some people, and we got to talk about this because we've been hearing this a lot. There's a lot of people that do not like the curved display. I think the curved display is beautiful. Now, I understand about screen protectors. I don't wear screen protectors on my phone. If you've been watching me a while, you already know my phone stays butt naked 98% of the time. Now, yes, I do buy cases. Yes, we're going to do a review on some cases. Got some cases right here for you all to check out that belongs to you, because we're going to give them away. All right. We got a couple of them from a couple of different companies, and we're going to check those out. And we're going to send them out to you to the winner once we do the giveaway. But yes, the curved display is beautiful. I like it. I love the immersed look when I'm watching the video, or when I'm watching the videos that I made. YouTube doesn't make a difference. Watching pictures, this thing looks beautiful. I'm not worried about the accidental cut-ons. That doesn't happen to me that much. That is not my story. And everybody is talking about a flat panel. Samsung, I hope you never, ever go back to the flat panel. Never. This curved display is beautiful because it's curved on the front and it's curved on the back side. Now, the weight of this, right, to me feels a little bit heavier than this Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And this is it. This is the difference. It's a little bit taller, but not by much. The width is almost the same, right? But you got the same look. This one is iridescent, which I thought was beautiful. I was trying to go with a different color with this one. And depending on what carrier you are with, it's going to depend on what color you get. Now with Sprint, right? I've been seeing it all over the place. Everybody's got the Mystic Bronze. That's the one I wanted to order. That's the one I could not get. And with Sprint, this is the only color they have, and 512 gigabytes of storage. If I had went down to 128, I would not have been able to, I would have been able to get those colors like the green, the Mystic Bronze, that white looks beautiful. Now, if I could have got the white, I'd have chose the white over black, right? But we're going to play this look. We want to see what it looks outside. We want to see if it's that gunmetal color that I think this black looks like. But yes, I don't know what Verizon is giving so far as the colors, but with Sprint T-Mobile, that is, all you're getting is the black. That's it. That's it. That's all. All right. So it is what it is. I got it. At the bottom, as you can see, if you haven't saw it already, everything has been switched over. Speaker grill pin is on this side. Of course, your plug for your charger is right there. At the top, of course, you get another mic. But it feels good. It feels solid. And another thing about the smaller version, everybody's talking about, don't sweat it. It's still a good phone. That's fine for the user. For me, I couldn't do a plastic back. Why? Samsung has already spoiled me. They should have never spoiled me to a premium feel. And that's why I do not wear cases on my smartphones. I take a chance. Now, if I'm going out, every now and then I will put a case on. Maybe it's going to tie into the outfit I have on, and maybe it's going to tie into the function and or the occasion. That's the only time that I will put a case on. But we are going to buy some cases. We are going to do some reviews on some cases. So make sure you look for that. Now, Samsung is at the bottom compared to where it was at on the previous version. So it's at the top. So Samsung moved that, which isn't a bad move at all. But let's go ahead. Let's take this off. People like this. Me, I care less. But let's take this off. And yeah, it has a good feel. It feels a little bit thicker, right, than the actual Galaxy Note 10 Plus, but not that much. It feels solid in the hand. I like the way it feels when it's rounded off. When it's squared off, when it doesn't have this curved display, what you're going to get is the corners are going to hurt. Like if you have to grab your phone like this, you're going to feel those corners. That's why I do not want a flat panel ever again. KBHD, all right, and J Wills, two guys that are awesome. I'm not dissing you. But yes, this is it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead. We're going to play with this a little while, get a feel for it. We're also going to do a battery test because I know you want to know about the battery test. This thing has 120 refresh rate. I've heard some people talk about it. I heard that it could be a battery drainer. So we're going to check it out. We're going to check it out with the 120 refresh rate on and off, just to get a feel for what the battery life is going to be like when you have either one on or off. With this one, the battery life is a beast, right? You're going to get home with battery life to spare. Now, if you're a casual user with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, you're going to get home, I'm telling you, with big time battery to spare. Me, I beat my phones up every single day. I get almost 7 hours of display time, screen time on this smartphone because I'm doing YouTube, Facebook. I'm doing everything throughout the day. I really need my device. That's why I could not do 128 gigabyte storage of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. All right, so that's going to be it for the video, you guys. But what do you think thus far? This is your display, right? And this is how they thinned it out. The bezels just a little bit. Let me see if I can get this one on so you can kind of see what it looks like. You can cut on something that's not going to tie into my business. So here, it's not bad, right? It's pretty much almost the same, but you can tell that the phone is taller. All right, y'all, that's it. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to set this up, get it paired up, get it going, and we will be back with the full review. All right, you all, that's going to be it. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please, whatever you do, help out the channel. Do not leave before you hit the like button. Smash the notification bell so you can get notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.